First Coast. There are 3 cases now in Duval and St. Johns counties. Right now, health officials are working to limit potential exposure, but one local mom says she's not worried. Brittany Dion joins us now with more about that.
Well, I spoke with Jeannie Smith today, a mother of 2. She says vaccinations do more harm than good. In fact, she calls this medical alert sent out today by the health department warning about the spread of the mumps virus on the First Coast propaganda. Whether to vaccinate or not, this First Coast mom, Jeannie Smith, says not.
I don't really see mumps as being something that's dangerous.
Smith is a mother of 2 boys, ages 7 and 12. You, as a parent, have vaccinated your children.
Unfortunately, I didn't know about the truth about vaccines and the adjuvants and the vaccine injuries that they're an epidemic in this country.
She believes vaccines are the cause of autism and are flat out ineffective, especially the MMR vaccine, which health officials claim protect against measles, mumps, and rubella.
The mumps portion of that vaccine was inefficacious.
Smith is referring to a lawsuit that began in 2010 against the maker of the MMR vaccine, Merck & Co. Former scientists with the company alleged that the studies done to determine the effectiveness of the vaccine were falsified.
So it wouldn't really surprise me if all of these outbreaks are amongst the vaccinated.
Right now, state, regional, and local health departments are investigating multiple outbreaks in Northeast Florida. 1 case in Duval County, 2 cases in St. Johns County. According to a press release, the cases involve 3 young adults who have been in close contact with one another. We're working to find out if the trio have ever been vaccinated. Mumps is a highly contagious respiratory disease that affects the salivary glands. Some of the symptoms include low fever, muscle aches, swollen tender glands, and weakness. It spreads through coughing, talking, sneezing, and touching. Officials say the virus can be relatively mild, but it can cause long-term health problems. As a result, the Florida Department of Health is urging everyone to vaccinate themselves and their children. Going back off of what Ms. Smith said about a study that claimed that vaccinations cause autism, it has been discredited multiple times. The author of that study did lose his medical license. For more on what Smith has to say about vaccinations here on the First Coast, as well as this health alert, head over to our website at firstcoastnews.com.
Definitely something to pay attention to. Thank you, Brittany. The Brunswick Police Department is offering